So I'm on to, but look, this is my channel. I want to do whatever I want on my channel, so I am going to at least do 2 cups for you, because I want to put these sugar baby pumpkin seeds in the cup, and I'm gonna see. I want to see what that looks like. So let's get, and I'm gonna do. Here we go again with the sounds. Let me let the plane go by, y'all. Let me let the planes go by. So I'm gonna plant. Let me let it finish. I'm gonna let it finish. Apparently the plane got something to say, honey. Okay, I'm gonna plant the Utah celery. Smells so good. Oh my God, I can't wait to use this celery. Oh, ooh, I can't wait. Let's see. It has. How long do this take? 90 days to maturity for the celery. Wow, that's longer than that's about as long as a watermelon. 90 days? Wow, that's quite a lot. So let me cut some of these up with my soil here. Boo-da-boo. As you can see, this the one with the holes. I'm gonna do one with the slits. Boom. And you know what? I got some small trays because I be thinking I am wasting a lot of space. But I be wanting to not have the seedlings get root bound, but man, I don't know. I just be thinking I'm using too much of this. I don't know, but we gonna see. But anyway, we ain't gonna see today because I'm using these solo cups. So I got my sugar baby pumpkin seeds right here. I'm gonna grab 2. I like to grab 2 up out of each because what I'm gonna do, and I like to try to find the biggest seed. So I'm gonna do 2. And we're gonna drop them in. Since these big, I'm gonna go put the soil up to my first knuckle here. I'm not gonna do it like I do the little seeds. And oh, you can't even see this. My bad, y'all. Hold up. Let me point y'all down so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I got this little hole right here. I don't know if y'all even can still see that. I'm gonna drop this seed in it. Boop. I'm gonna do the other one right there. First knuckle. Drop the seed. Boop. See those seeds in there? So we're gonna cover it up. Bop bop. Bada bop bop bop. I'm loving it. Had to hit y'all with the McDonald's saying, okay, the McDonald's sign. So let's try. Let's see how these celery seeds look, guys. Hold on. Let's see what we working with here. 90 days to maturity. I'm gonna have to look up the pumpkin because I don't know the maturity on that. I believe they said 80 to 85. I think they said 85 for the pumpkin. So let me get this. Oh, I'm having trouble opening the pack. Okay. Oh, they really small. Ooh. Oh, hold on, y'all. Hopefully y'all don't fly away. Hold on. Ooh, they baby babies. Ooh, these 500 seeds. Uh-oh. Ooh. I don't want, you know what? When they small like this, I don't plant them in these. When they small like that. I don't want to lose no seeds. They so small. You can easily lose these. I'm going to switch from these because I didn't know they was that small. And I'm going to get the small, 1 second, y'all. Instead of using this, I'm going to just plant another pumpkin. I'm gonna plant a jack-o'-lantern. And I'm about to, so sorry y'all if y'all didn't hear that. For this solo cup, I'm gonna plant a jack-o'-lantern. And this one, a jack-o'-lantern pumpkin seed. And I'm gonna grab the small little containers that I said I should use for that celery. So again, I'm just gonna put these little holes right there to the first knuckle, because they so big they'll be able to push up. So boo boo boo, and press it down. Hopefully y'all saw that. So I'm gonna tag them. I'm gonna put this one on this side and put this one with this one, so when I get ready to tag, I know which one. So I'll be right back. I forgot I already had some cups out here like this. This is what I was looking for, this container. I'm just gonna dump this out. Okay. I'm gonna fill it. Oh dang, y'all can't even see this. My bad, y'all. I'm so okay. So we're gonna put them in here like so. Y'all can see that, right? Yeah. I'll put it in there like so. Boop boop. Shake it, shake it. So that's how it's looking. Set y'all back over here. So this is how it looks. Uh oh, got y'all tilting. Got y'all tilting. Like so. For some odd reason, I never know when it's pointing. Okay, I thought it was gonna fall on y'all. Okay, there you go. Boom. So let me get the celery. Let me get this celery and all that. Since I got this planted, I'm gonna plant. I'm gonna plant two. I'm still gonna do two for each pod. So I'm still gonna do two. So these are such small babies, and all of this is gonna be celery, y'all. All of this is gonna be celery for this pod. They so small. Oh my god. I wonder should. I don't know. See, this is why I don't wear good clothes. I don't like to rub dirt on my. Good thing this coconut core, but on my pants. I be trying to look bummy as possible, so I won't dirty up my good clothes. But I had a meeting today, so early in the morning. So I'm gonna barely drop it. I mean, this is so freaking small. I'm like, dang, this is celery? I can't believe it. Really, you really just sit it on top for real. You know what I mean? I'm just really sit them on top because, and I'm gonna do, I don't know, I think about doing 4 to each pot. They so small. But I do want to, yeah, I'm gonna do 4 to 5. They so small, y'all. Oh my God, I can barely see it. So I'm just gonna really set these on top, you know, not really burying them because they so freaking small. But celery is big stock, so I'm so surprised that celery seeds look so small like this. So that's about 5. This is about, you need glasses for real with this, girl. And you know, and y'all know I'm blind. Okay. Y'all probably don't know, but I'm here to tell you I'm blind. Okay. So when it comes to this, man, you can't even see this on camera. They so small. No wonder they give you 500 seeds. Jeez Louise. You can't even plant these. You can't even, yeah. You just gonna have to sprinkle across the soil. Yeah, so that's the best way. Just sprinkle them. You want to plant celery, just sprinkle them across your soil. And yeah, that's what you're gonna have to do because they so small. they're not going to be able to push them. That seed is not going to be able to push up that the soil. So yeah, so I filled everything. You probably didn't see it because these celery seeds are so small. This is the outcome of me planting the autumn seeds for my fall garden. This is what they look like. See them solo cups? See how they sitting? Yeah, they all planted for the fall, honey. And I got more in my containers, so that's how that is doing. I just want to say this one last thing. No matter what in life or in your garden, continue to get it out the soil, okay? Whatever seeds you plant today can produce a bountiful harvest tomorrow, and that is in life. Whatever seeds you plant and you continue to bring attention and water it, is going to grow good or bad. So watch what you are pushing out in life, what you're actually speaking into existence and manifesting, because good or bad, it will come true, even if you're believing that or not. I'll leave you with that. And if I haven't said so already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, share my videos with your family and friends if you're feeling the content. And that's it for this video. Until next time, peace. I see you in the next video.